Alright, so as you can see, my safety score is back. For some reason it disappeared for a while. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what changed. So you can see, alright, for educational purposes, will not impact your insurance right now. You can opt out anytime, and by clicking continue. Okay, so I'll continue. Oh my goodness. And now my score is showing a 98%. Yeah, so I don't know what happened. Oh, collision warning. I think when I was driving, I don't know why, a lot of the collision warnings it detects are like wrong. Like it'll see a car coming from the opposite lane or something, and then it will detect that as a forward collision warning. Or sometimes they're in another lane. I don't know. I remember seeing it and I was like, they're not even in front of me. So the forward collision thingy is kind of wrong sometimes. But anyways, yep, my score went down by 1. So we'll see if I can push it back up. But usually that takes a very long time because this is per 1,000 miles, the forward collision warnings. So yeah, for me to get those off, I'd have to basically drive like 1,000 miles again. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Bye.